Hi, my name is Justin, and this is my slide design project. For my ad, I decided to do an ad from the World Wildlife Fund. The ad says, exploiting the ecosystem also threatens human lives. And then they have a plugin for a living planet, WWF.org. It's all about promoting how some animals may be scary, but a world without them would be even worse. Now let's take a look at some of these design principles and elements used to make our ad so good. As you can see, the ad uses a very minimalist style to capture the viewer's attention. We have a simple side-by-side view of the same photo, one with the animal and one without the animal. Also, there's just a few short words to emphasize the photo's message. With the animal, we have horrifying, and then without the animal, we have more horrifying. This really just adds a strong but simple message of how terrifying some animals might be, but what would be even more terrifying is a world without those animals in it. For another element, typography, we can see all caps sans serif for horrifying and more horrifying. Even down here for the body text and the logo, we have that same all caps sans serif. This gives us a consistent theme for all typography and even the main design of the ad, being very minimalist but bold. Now let's take a look at the new ad I created for the campaign. There are a few different design and typography choices I made that create consistency with the original ad. First, we have the simple white backdrop and border between the photos to give emphasis to the contrast of the two photos. Then we see that same theme of the animal on one side and the same surroundings without the animal, giving that simple but stark contrast to emphasize the message. For typography, we again see the short, brief statements like in the previous ad. Terrifying, another word I chose that also goes along with this, and then we have more terrifying. Then we see that there's the same sans serif and all caps font style that is used in the original ad with the terrifying and more terrifying, and also again with the message down at the bottom, the logo, and for a living planet, WWF.org. As you can see, I believe my new ad is consistent with the original ad. The design style, photo message, and typography is like that of the original ad design, photo message, and typography. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and my new ad, and thank you.